It's the only fixer-upper with dance poles. That's all I gotta say.
Oh my gosh. We're Jill Barrett and Josh Barrett, and we own the Mid-Century Modern House from Fixer Upper, Season 2, Episode 9. I knew Chip and Joanna from college days for the last, now it's been 20 years. Joanna's probably the only person that I would trust to just take on a house that I had. We do a lot of renovations ourselves, we have a lot of real estate, and we stumbled upon this house and we literally made an offer that day. We walked in and it was just this Zen experience. And then I said, you know what? I'm gonna call Joanna. And so she came to see it and she said, yeah, I've gotta do this house.
She had a lot of fun doing it. It was fun watching her and Chip do it. Well, we were looking for a really good buy, and there's not a lot of these in Waco.
But it needed that updated layer. Well, when we were filming, we were so excited about this house that it was kind of obvious, you know, that we were just like, oh my gosh, this is the one. The day of the reveal, we were just so excited to get into our house to see it, and we knew that it was gonna be amazing. We didn't know that they were gonna do this brass and glass island sort of area as they opened up the kitchen. I thought that was such a cool, that was such a cool feature. It was a really fun day. It was very fun. Our friend David Ridley, he started a company with some friends called the Waco Tours, and so we're kind of like, come one, come all, come on in. So we kept as much furniture as we possibly could. We kept the rug and the coffee table and the couch. We came into our bonus room and finished it out. So we have 2 queen beds. We added a bathroom. We really loved, of course, everything that Chip and Joanna did. We kept our bed and we kept the rug. So I bought a Dorothy Draper style dresser, and then I bought these end tables that kind of matched that. My favorite thing that we found after the fact was this Japanese mid-century watercolor. It's a very unique size, hard to come by. I stumbled upon it in Round Top, and it was the perfect thing to add into this bedroom.
Now, the first thing you did that I remember, you painted that wall black.
I'm really into that contrast, that black and white. I know Joanna was worried about it looking like a tire shop, and I felt like the black would kind of frame that painting out as well and give it more of a good backdrop. Joanna usually gives kind of a gift to a house when she does it. So she gifted us with a friend of hers making the number 7 for us. And at the time when we did the show, we were pregnant with number 7.
Number 5.
For him. Number 7.
5, we're 7.
And that was a really special gift that she gave us and surprised us with.
She's very purposeful like that. I like that about her.
She is for sure. That was really before anyone was putting their fixer-upper home or any homes really for rent on these vacation rental sites. And a lot more people were starting to come to Waco. Waco is becoming this sort of pilgrimage point because of Chip and Joanna. And getting to stay in a fixer-upper house for so many of these people that are traveling from literally all over the country was just icing on the cake. They were excited for us. They were like, why are you not charging more?
Now, I have to admit, when we first started to do this, we needed the money to do the VRBO, but it was hard. Remember, we had to pack everything up, pick the baby up, take all our stuff, go move my mom's and unmove. I mean, oh my gosh. Remember that one night? It was a Tuesday night at 9 o'clock. I was looking forward to spending a couple of days in my house and not be on my mom's couch watching cowboy western movies with Dad. But I got this text from Steven, and I still have it. And it was basically, hello, Josh and Jill, my name's Steven. My wife and I want to come stay in your house. She loves Fixer Upper, and she's feeling better this week. And so I thought it would be a good time to grab our kids and come up there and spend a couple of days. I said, Jill, I know that we need to spend our family time in the house, but this guy really needs it.
Yeah.
So.
About a month or 2 later, she passed away, and he wrote us and said, thank you so much for opening your home to us. It was our last really great memory as a family. You know, being able to share it with others where it meant something to them made it worth it at the end of the day. Joe really put her heart and soul into every project that they did. Fixer Upper became this very idealistic, romantic show because it was really about real people, Chip and Joanna Gaines and their family. Putting our house on a vacation rental site didn't hurt them. It just gave people a little more experiences touching something that they did. And they knew that, and they were very excited.